Welcome to the second part of our comprehensive fitness series. In this video, we focus on chest muscles, providing detailed coaching to enhance your upper body strength and muscle definition. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, our expert tips and exercises will help you target your chest effectively. Learn proper form, the best workouts, and advanced techniques to maximize your gains. Join us and take your chest training to the next level. In this workout training, you will learn how to target the upper chest, middle chest, and lower chest muscles. You will also learn which exercises you are doing correctly and which ones you are doing incorrectly. This is the second part of your chest workout training video. This is the most crucial exercise that targets your upper chest, middle chest, and lower chest. You need to do 6 reps for the upper chest, then 6 reps for the middle chest, and finally 6 reps for the lower chest. This exercise should be done for 2 to 3 rounds. The first reps are for the upper chest. The second reps are for the middle chest. The third reps are for the lower chest. This exercise is for the middle chest. 2 to 3 rounds of 8 to 12 reps. If you up and down the barbell on your upper chest, you will never be able to build your middle chest. If you up and down the barbell on your lower chest, you also will never be able to build your middle chest.